My name is Mike Agello. I'm the machine shop and finishing supervisor. So I am in charge of any of the machining that we do for our pumps, as well as coating them prior to assembly. Liberty Pumps assembles products for the wastewater industry, so dirty water, no clean water products. So it's sump and sewage pumps, accessories and packages, engineered systems. So Liberty Pumps was started by Fred Cook, who's from this area originally, and then his nephew Charlie came to work for the business and eventually took ownership of the business and has stayed in Virgin. I think, you know, he supports the community, and that's why he wanted to grow his business in the community. And it's, you know, it's a good area of a lot of good people that you can draw from to come and work here. So we have 3 robots. One of them is doing sump pump, high volume sump pump castings, and then the other 2 are for sewage products. The newest is for one of our grinder pumps. We sell through distributors, so we're selling to the professional installers. The biggest reason we like automation is for ergonomic issues, to try and reduce those. Whenever we're spending money on equipment, fixturing, machines, automation, the first question is, does it make it easier on our machine operators? The second question I always ask is, does it maintain or improve our quality? And then lastly, it's if we can improve production, that's kind of a bonus for us. Certainly we don't want to lose production, but if we can make it easier on the people that work in the department, that's the biggest reason. With the automation, it certainly helps us with safety because this latest machine helped us eliminate most of the ergonomic issues that we had handling that component. But it also helps us increase production because typically if you add a robot to a CNC, you see spindle uptime go up, which means production is up. But then we're able to reallocate those members to other machines. So not only is production up on the one that we put the robot on, but production is up across the factory. When we first dipped our toes in it, people were a little bit nervous, is this going to take their job? But certainly after that first robot went in and people kind of settled down and saw this wasn't to replace people, this was put in to help them, they became more excited about it. This latest one, being that it's such a heavy casting, the team was pretty excited, like, yeah, let's automate this one. There was nobody had any worries about, you know, this is going to take my job. It's really just to make it easier. When we add more automation to the factory, as we continue to grow that side of it, the skill set changes, right? So now we need someone that knows how to program robots, you know, and be able to reset them. But we're able to take the members that are here now running machines and just reallocate them to a different machine. What it came down to really was just building the relationship and having the trust and letting them run with it, because that's not our expertise. Our expertise is making pumps. Matt came in for a visit, and him and I just kind of hit it off and have a pretty good relationship. Certainly going through this process has been successful for us, and it was actually kind of a smooth process for us. You know, we don't have automation people on staff, so to be able to rely on the experts outside of these 4 walls was pretty important. It's kind of set my mind at ease, and they came in and set it up, and within, you know, a matter of days we were making parts.